Throughout the Bible, it talks about maximizing our potential. And I'm not just talking about maximizing our potential in terms of our earthly life, but our spiritual life. Well, to maximize our potential, I believe that health and fitness is important. Okay? Now, no matter what we do, we are going to die. We'll go back to the Adam and Eve story. When I say story, I mean it as truth, like an actual account of what happened. After Adam and Eve, we knew that we would die. And we would die, and our life expectancies, depending upon where you live, can vary. So if you want to live longer, nutrition is a key component to living longer and a healthier life. But back to the psychology of it. So for me, I use Bible passages that really inspire me and really strengthen my psychology that I can do it. I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. Now, there is debate about that passage that it meant that we can be content no matter what, and I do believe that is really the case. However, I do believe that with prayer, meditation, and psychological work, which comes from faith, I believe that we can accomplish most things that we set out to be and do, especially as it pertains to our health. We can improve my health. No matter where you're at, I believe that you can improve your health. If you're trying to lose 50 pounds, you can lose those 50 pounds. I believe that. It's going to take work. It's going to take effort. It's going to take habits. It's going to take dedication. It's going to take commitment. It's going to take all these things. But if we have Christ as our motivation, and if we have Christ as our inspiration, and we use our minds and our hearts to really focus on it, I believe that we can accomplish anything. So what I want you to do after this video is I want you to focus on your specific goals and something called I am statements. And I want you to use I am statements that are Christian. I am the weight I want to be because I am using Christ as my motivation. I am the weight that I want to be and the health that I want to be because I am following God's guidelines and rules for me. Doing these I am statements, they can be whatever you want that are inspiring, motivating, and where you need help. I eat healthy and I am fit because I want to be a leader for my family. I am eating 5 fruits and veggies per day because I want to show my children what it is to eat healthy. Those are just examples of I am statements, but they will help strengthen your psychology and your belief systems if you keep doing them. Pick out 5 to 10 that pertain to health for you and utilize them. Read them daily. Keep them in front of you. Keep your goals in front of you. Write this down. Journal this. Put it on your mirror. Whatever you need to do to accomplish your goal. Because make no bones about it, weight loss is a psychological thing, not just a physical thing. Your mindset has to change. Your habits have to change. And then you will be where you want to be with weight. So without further ado, I'm going to go to the next video. Please take the time again to go ahead and write down your goals, write down your I am statements, work on the psychology part of it using the Bible as motivation.